In this video, I'm going to be making a miter stand that I can use either of these two Evolution saws on. I believe this one will live on it most of the time because the plan is to take the place of this bandsaw right here that I have been using for years. And also I want to have little sliding arms that can go out of each side. So what I'm going to do is reuse this roller that I got from Harbor Freight. This one has broken, and you can see I went yesterday and got another one so I can have one on each side. And for the base of the stand, I am going to use the top of this toolbox that I have built on a previous video, because as you can see here, this space is already wasted on top. That's just a whole bunch of junk that's doing nothing but taking up space. And also this box fits nicely in the area that I want to keep the saw. And like I said, I want to replace this bandsaw right here. And another reason why I want to get this saw in its own dedicated space is because it is a heavy duty saw, it weighs a lot, and I am sick of having to move it every time I want to use it. And as I just mentioned, I did build the toolbox in a separate video. So if that's something you want to see, you need to go watch that video first. I will put a link to it right up here in the corner of the video and also down in the description. So go watch that video, then come back and watch this one and just consider it like a part 1 and a part 2 video. All right, so let's get to work and start building this miter saw stand. All right, so I'm really happy with the way things turned out. I've got the rollers on each side, and this roller will go out 5 feet, as well as this one. It will extend out 5 feet, and with the space that I've got in between here, I can get a little over 12 feet in between the two rollers. That's 12 feet maximum distance, and I believe that will cut about 99.9% of the metal that I'm going to be cutting with this saw. And I've also got this dedicated drawer right here where I can keep all of my different saw blades, all of these little adapters and things that I seem to always be searching for that I never can find. They all now have a home right here in this drawer. Another nice feature of this stand is that it has raised the working area about a foot over that old bandsaw. So now it is much more comfortable for me to work using this saw. So I'm really happy with the way this project turned out. I believe I'm going to get a whole lot more use out of both of my Evolution saws. And like I said earlier, I believe the metal cutting chop saw is going to live there most of the time, but it's nice to know if I need that sliding compound miter saw, I can just put it right on top of this same stand with no issues. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you aren't a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any upcoming Making Stuff videos. And thanks for watching.